The sequencer is a combination of two switches mounted on top of an electromagnet, which, when energized, closes the switches. The top switch in this case is numbered 1 and 2, the bottom switch is numbered 3 and 4, and the electromagnet is numbered 5 and 6. The sequencer is a means to energize high voltage components using a low voltage signal. In this case, we're using the sequencer to turn on the heat strips in a heat pump. On one side of the switch, the terminals are connected to line 1 from the power source. The other side terminals are connected to the heat strips, and the other end of the heat strips are connected to line 2 from the high voltage power source. The electromagnet is on 5 and 6 and is connected to your control wires. Here, one side is common and the other side to your auxiliary 24-volt heat signal or the white wire. Now, to diagnose a faulty sequencer, we need to check 3 paired connections. The top switch, or terminals 1 and 2, then the second switch, which are terminals 3 and 4, and finally the electromagnet, which are terminals 5 and 6. When working properly, you need to check both when the sequencer is on and when it is off. When the sequencer is on, the value you should get between terminals 1 and 2, and also 3 and 4, should be 0 volts, while the electromagnet terminals 5 and 6 should be around 24 volts. When the sequencer is off, the values reverse and you should see 240 volts between terminals 1 and 2 and also terminals 3 and 4. Likewise, the terminals 5 and 6 should be reversed and register 0 volts when off. As with any switch, the switch does not carry any load. When closed, there should not be any voltage drop across the switch. The voltage drop only occurs when the switch is open. This is the exact opposite of a load, such as the electromagnet and the heat strips for us. The load absorbs the voltage, so you get a voltage drop across the load when it's turned on, but you don't get a voltage drop across the load when it's turned off. Visit our website for more articles and blogs. You can even ask more questions there. www.alexhvac.com. Thanks for watching.